Good evening, students. Hope you are all fine. You know, we have seen many types of grammars. Now we are going to deal with kinds of sentences. We had already known about, see, right from the third standard syllabi, we have seen these things. Anyhow, whatever it may be, let us straight away go into the matter. There are three types of kinds of sentences. One is simple, another is complex, another is compound. Let me explain you very clearly what is simple. Simple is simple. Now, please you know about what is simple. Now understand what it may be. Main class. See, some of the points I am giving you. Main class is a simple sentence. Simple sentence like subject, verb, object. I eat a mango. I eat an orange. Those are all simple sentences. Only one finite verb will be there in simple sentences. Only one finite verb. See, for an example, I am a man. You are students. These are all simple sentences. When we want to have, see, listen, simple, having only one finite verb is known to be a simple sentence. Here, when we want to change from complex to simple, say for an example, though I was not well, I attended the class. Let's see here. In spite, see, here, let's go into the matter. Subject, verb, object. I attended the class. This is known to be main class. This is known to be main class. Though I was not well, subordinate clause. What is subordinate? What is main? Main clause will give us the full meaning. Subordinate clause will give us half of the meaning. That will not complete in its sense. That will have half meaning, but that won't be ending. Subordinate forming, for example, though, although, even though, all WH type of question words, say for example, when, while, how long, who, whom, whose, where, which, what, by whom. So these are all subordinate conjunctions we can use for complex sentences. Getting into compound, there will be two main classes. Main class is nothing but main sentences. Say for an example, as we have seen, the simple sentence, subject, verb, object. Likewise. And there is only one more possibility is there in compound sentence is just a joiner or conjunctions. Joiner or conjunctions. Now, this is the case. When two sentences are joined with joiner, that's known to be compound sentence. We will see from an example. Now, let's see. Say, if they have given a question like this, though I was not well, I attended the class. The question has asked us to change into compound as well as simple. Let's try. Now, to create simple sentence, what we need? One main class, one phrase. You know, already when there is the main class itself is a simple sentence. When we want to change the kinds of the complex sentence, though I was not well, I attended the class, we need one more phrase. See, I attended the class SVOC. SVO. Subject, verb, object. Already there, it is a simple sentence. It's just having only one finite verb. Another is, this is known to be phrase. Phrase, what is phrase? Phrase is a group of words which doesn't have or don't have main verb. See, finite verb, which doesn't have finite verb. See, what it may be, in spite of being, see, in spite of meaning though, being is taken from am, is, are. Like, say for example, if I say a sentence here, I am ill, I attended the class. So, and that am is removed from finite verb. Am is taken away, and that is being brought as being to make a phrase. Phrase will not have the full sense, it is an off ending. It will not complete its sense. So it will not have any finite verb also. That's known to be phrase. Again I repeat, phrase is group of words which do not have the main verb or finite verb. So that's one phrase and one main class can be framed as a simple sentence. Clear? Thank you. Now let's get into complex. Supposing if we are given a question from simple, we want to change from there, from simple to complex. We keep main class as it is. This group of words is known to be phrase. This phrase has to be changed into subordinate class. Now we know about what is main class. Simply subject, verb, object can be a main class. What about subordinate class? Subordinate class is nothing but there will be subject, main verb or object or something like adjective will be there. One more joining word, that is subordinating conjunction. That conjunctional word is there. Subordinating conjunction or subordinate word. Though, even though, although, when, while, as I said earlier, WH type question words. Those are known to be complex conjunctions or subordinate conjunctions. What is subordinate clause? Subject, verb, object plus subordinate conjunctions or complex conjunctions. So this is totally known to be subordinate class. One subordinate and one main class is known to be when both are joining together, that's known to be complex. One subordinate, one main is known to be complex. Say for example, main class, one subordinate class, or there can be more than one subordinate class in a complex sentence. Number of subordinate classes you can have. That will also be known as complex sentences. Maybe get into compound. Compound nothing but main class, another main class, conjunction. Conjunctions are very few, and, yet, but, and so, or else. So like these words we can frame with whose help we can easily frame compound sentence. Now we have seen there is simple sentence changing from in spite of being ill I attended. Let us try to change in compound sentence also. Now, see, here we find two main classes. What are they? Remove though. Remove though. Okay. I was not well. I attended the class. There are two main classes. What has to be done? Though will be replaced by yet or but, the same meaning. See, all are having the same meaning, but, yet, though, in spite of, even though, although, in complex. So likewise, now what we needed, there are two main classes now. I was not well, one main class. I attended the class, one main class. Just mere joiner or conjunction, yet or but. That's enough. See, let's keep in our mind. For simple, we need one main class, one phrase. Clear? For complex, one main class, one subordinate class, or more than one subordinate. That means number of subordinates you can have. It is necessarily be based one main and one subordinate. Compound, two main classes joined with conjunctions or joiners, or another word is coordinating conjunction. This is to be called as coordinating conjunctions. Thank you. Let's see more examples. Please listen, my dear. Again, see. Let's come from complex to have the specific changes for all. If you work hard, you will pass in the examination. We know all meaning. We have to have the understanding capacity also to understand what is the meaning of the sentence. From that, we will have to comprehend and write the answers. We will be able to easily write the answer. Okay. Now, see the subject, verb, and object. Okay. This is main class, adjusted by or joined by complex conjunctions, or coordinating and subordinate conjunctions. Okay, subordinate conjunctions. Okay, so totally it's known to be subordinate class. So subordinate class, one subordinate class, another is main class, subject, verb, object. Listen. Simply saying subject verb object is main class, subject verb object with a subordinate conjunction. So these are all joined, totally it will be called as subordinate class. Clear? Okay. Now, to create simple sentence, what we will have to do? What we need for creating simple sentence? One main class, one phrase. Let's keep the main class as it is. Let's try to change subordinate class into phrase. What else we need to change into phrase? If corresponding simple conjunction is in the event of, in case of. Anyone you can use. Either in case of or in the event of. Same meaning. It is the same meaning. So, in the event of, we don't need subject. Verb also we don't need, but we can make it as a phrase. We can make it as a phrase if we add ing form. Say for example, gerund form. That will automatically become phrase. So, in the event of or in case of working hard, you will pass in the examination. So, here what? This is main class. Subject, verb, object. That's all. Okay? And the subject, verb, object, say for example, what it may be. This is very clear in our mind. Making in case of working hard, you will pass in the examination regarding simple sentence. Let's go to compound sentence. See, here we find two main classes. One is you work hard, you will pass in the examination. Two main classes. Remove subordinate conjunction. If you write as it is, you work hard, you will pass. What is the joining word? Corresponding conjunction for kinds of, for complex and simple, then only. So let's keep in our mind, let's memorize. In case, in spite of, in the event of. For complex, if. For compound, and then only. So if we say, let's bring both main classes. You work hard, let us join the conjunction, and then only we will pass in the examination. Listen, if you have got any doubt, please you can ask me. In our book, in our textbook, turn to the page number, right from page number 121 to 123. And one more is there. In 24 also, in 124 also, there is if class analysis. We will see a bit later, definitely. So please do kindly practice these areas from our textbook. If you have got any doubt, please ask me. But you have to use the textbook carefully. Okay? I shall dictate you something more regarding the same exercises in voice SMS. Till then, if you have got any doubt, you are welcome to ask me at any time. Hope your parents are fine. You are also fine. Let's keep in prayer that we must soon meet in the school premises soon. Days are being wasted, I think, mostly. Kindly keep in your mind. Don't waste your time at home. Please try to concentrate on your studies. I kindly request everyone. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Again, one more example. Let's happen to see. Now, on seeing the snake, let's keep in our mind. On symbol conjunction. See, complex conjunction is as soon as, compound, and at once. Or even if you say and, this also is correct. If we delete at once, if we add only and, compound conjunction, that is also is correct. Okay. Now, shall we start from here for our understanding? It's very easy to understand. That's why I take from complex. Okay? Doesn't matter. As soon as the moment Raja happens to see and it is an immediate action. No, just at that moment. As soon as Raja saw snake, he ran away. Anyone else seeing the snake will stand there or come and meet me? Huh? No, it's not possible. If anyone happens to see the snake, immediately will run away. Okay, likewise, as soon as Raja saw the snake, he ran away. See, let's keep in our mind, let me come from here. One understanding I want to make here. On seeing the snake, Raja ran away. Okay? Let us change into complex. What we need? One main class, one subordinate class. Okay? Already one main class is there. MC. Raja ran away. Here we have to frame subordinate class. Okay? On seeing, at that time, or as soon as at that moment. Okay? Let us post as soon as instead of an. Okay? Now, main class is already there, he ran away. Our purpose is to create subordinate class, and for instead of on, we have created as soon as. Please go through these possibilities from the book itself, or I'll give you the guide page numbers. From that also you can note down. I'll give you definitely. So, instead of on, we have written as soon as. Okay? Now what we need? Subordinate conjunction has come. What else we need to create subordinate class? Subordinate conjunction has come. Subject has to come. And main verb has to come, and if it is their object, we will have to take object. Okay? As instead of on, we have posted as soon as. As soon as, well, who ran away? He. That is Raja. As soon as Raja, see, we have to create a verb from seeing. Seeing is a gerund or present participle. From that we have to create a main verb. See, seeing, see, saw, seeing. In what tense we will have to post? Let's find there, ran. It is in the past tense. So what we have to create in past tense alone. So as soon as the word, complex conjunction word. Next will have to come subject, Raja. The verb, seeing. From seeing, we have to create past form of the verb, that is saw. Clear? So, past form, why we use past form? He ran away, Raja ran away, ran. So, we have to use here also in subordinate class past form of the verb saw. See, saw, seen. So, saw we like take. As soon as Raja saw the snake, he ran away. Very easy. To bring a compound, it's very easy. Remove complex conjunction, subordinate conjunction. There will be two main class. Raja saw snake, one main class. He ran away, another main class. Keep both main classes, that is, join with some joiner. Say for example, if you write and itself, it's enough. Raja saw the snake and he ran away, correct? If you add at once also is correct, because the apt posting for as soon as is and at once. Soon, the moment we happen to see the snake, we used to run. So likewise, Raja saw the snake and at once he ran away. Yes? Should I? Kindly bring it to your mind. Use all your times in studies. Don't waste your time. I happen to hear many of your parents complaining about you. This should not be the case, please. Your parents are carrying you, they invest a lot of amount. During the particular time of Corona, they suffer like anything. They go for work, but you are staying at home. Now, please cooperate with them. Nothing, cooperating is nothing, just to merely study what is given to you. Days are moving very fast. Don't know when we are going to meet with each other in the school or school premises. God alone knows. Let's also will have to pray that we soon will have to meet in the classrooms. Please spend some more time in your personal prayer. That you happen to see me in video, but I have not yet seen you, anybody else. So, I too like to see you all in school premises. Anyhow, let's meet soon. Let's keep in prayer. Spend the time only in studies. My kind request. Give kind regards to your parents. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.